In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a tabbed box. So instead of having a basic box like this, you're going to have a tabbed box which will have multiple tabs inside one box. So I'm going to add this to the top because I am editing this guide here for classics and mythology, and I want to kind of re-update this using databases over here since it's kind of lengthy. So I'm going to add a box here, and I'm going to call it database is available. And for type, I'm going to choose from the drop down. I'm going to say tabbed. And then I'm going to go ahead and say save. And now it has this little information to create content for this box. Click this little icon, which is available right here. You can't really see it because of my header is black, but it's right here. And I'm going to click that. And my first tab, I want to say something like using the library catalog. And then I can add multiple ones here, but since I want to just show you how to add the content from one side to the other, I'm going to go ahead and just say close. And now I have using the library catalog. So you can move content from one box to the other. The quickest way to do this is I want this video to actually be in that tabbed box. So I'm going to say edit. And since this is HTML, I'm going to look at the source code here, and I'm going to copy that. And now I'm going to go into here and I'm going to select rich text. Again, I'm going to click that source so that I can add my HTML, and I'm going to paste that. And now it has moved that catalog from this box into this box. So then I can go ahead and delete this one. Another thing that I want to do is I want to take this text and I want to include it in this box here. So I'm going to copy this. And instead of putting it in the same box, I like to keep mine separate. So I'm going to add a second rich text box. I'm going to paste that content. And where it says position bottom of the box, I'm going to say to put it at the top because I want it above that catalog video. And so now it's added it there at the top. So then I can delete this. But I'm not quite done because there's a lot of other information here in this box. So I want to add these resources as well. So I'm going to create a second box for create a reference in my tabbed box by clicking on this little gear icon again. And I'm going to say Credo reference. And I'm going to say close. And now it's added a second tabbed option. So if I click on that, then I can add my elements here. And since this is actually a database, I'm going to go ahead and instead of saying rich text, I'm going to say database. And I'm going to search for it so that when users go to this guide and they click this link, it will automatically direct them to that database. But this is a little blank now. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to add a tutorial video for how to use Credo reference, and that's going to be in the next tutorial.